pick my bag. My bag. Hello, I'm Dani, Dinosaur. Hey guys, did you all pack your bags? Tomorrow is our first day of kindergarten. Today our friends said that they will choose which bag is the best. Whose bag will be chosen as the best? I think it's going to be mine. I'm Dani Squirrel. I like animals better. Oh, dinosaurs, they're scary. I like cars the best. Cars are nice too, but you'll be surprised when you see inside my bag. I pack lots of stuff our friends would really like. The best bag is mine! We were supposed to pack our bags for kindergarten, so I packed everything I need. Friends, do you want to see my bag? First, my friend Tyrannosaurus. I'm going to take my Tyranno and... Dinosaur? Who takes a dinosaur to kindergarten? At kindergarten, we will need things to write with, so I brought this pencil case. Have you seen a baseball player, Tyranno? Cool, isn't it? Wow, that's cool. Wow. Nice. They said after lunch, we'll have to brush our teeth. A dinosaur cup and dinosaur toothbrush. Well, I didn't forget anything, did I? Wow, nice! I also have a dinosaur coloring book. Coloring is my favorite thing. I'm going to color my friend, Stegosaurus. What do you think, friends? Isn't my bag the best? Ooh, your dinosaur bag is cool, but probably not as cool as mine. My bag is filled with super duper awesome cars. Want me to show you, friends? See what we have here? Look! This is cute! Do you know what this is? It is a money bank! I'm going to put in money whenever I go to kindergarten. Also, ta-da-da-doo! A pencil case. Isn't my pencil case great? It's blue. And supercars. 1, 2, 3. They can even race. Oh, that's awesome. Of course, I have a water cup too. The Speedy Cars 3. Wow, what's that? My crayons! Aren't they cool? You guys don't have anything like this, do you? I'm taking all these to kindergarten. I think my bag is the prettiest. I'll show you, especially to our friends. Come on out. Voila! First, I have a water cup. There's a picture of Elsa and Anna who look like me. I'll use it to drink water and when I brush my teeth to rinse. It's so pretty. And my pink pencil case. I just love unicorns. Very nice. And I really have to bring this. Watch. Ta-da! Wow, that's really cool. It's a magic sketchbook that turns color when you brush it with water. Oh yeah, I also have this. Ta-da! My magic wand! Look! What's that? How pretty! Bubbles come out from it too. What do you think, friends? Isn't my bag the best? Your princess bag is pretty, but my bag probably has more interesting things. Friends, do you want to see what's in Squirrely's bag? Now, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Ta-da! I have a cute bunny pen. Also, I brought a puppy pen too. What else is here? Want to see my erasers? My erasers are super cute. There's a lion, tiger, and monkey. Ta-da-da-da-da-da! I also have a pencil sharpener! Whoever needs to sharpen their pencil, come see me! I'll sharpen them for you! Sha! Push, push, push! Ah! 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 Ee. You could get bitten like this, so be careful! You can play this game with your friends too! Wow! Ooh! Ooh. And there's lots of cute animal friends in my drawing book too. There's monkeys, koalas, and mountain goats. You can meet any animal friends you want. What do you think? Isn't my bag the best? Friends, from all the bags you've seen, which bag would you like to take to kindergarten? How about my bag? Of course it's mine, right? But did you guys know? None of us can take our bags to kindergarten? Why? That's because all of these things are already at kindergarten. Is that true? Why?